Are you spending $200 to $300 every month on AI tools and still not making real money? What if I showed you a tool that gives you 100 plus premium AI models in one dashboard for a one-time price? Today, I'm reviewing Ambit AI, a tool that can create websites, videos, eBooks, and even apps just from a single prompt. And I'll also show you how you can get it with some exclusive bonuses. Features breakdown. Here's what you can actually do with Ambit AI. Create YouTube videos and shorts, build websites and funnels, generate eBooks and digital products, design graphics and images, create music and voiceovers. Basically, if you can think it, you can create it. Introducing Ambit AI, a powerful AI platform that connects you to Grok, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and Midjourney, and over 100 plus AI models in one place. And the best part? No monthly fees, just a one-time payment. Here you can see my exclusive bonuses. These bonuses will be free when you purchase through my link in description below.
Are you realizing how much you're spending on AI and other online tools every single month compared to how much you're actually making? $25 here, $97 there, and sometimes the premium tier can cost as much as $300 per month, not mentioning all the extra fees you have to pay if you've already used all your monthly credits. The real question is, while you're paying for all of it, how much have you actually make back? Yes, I've been there too. The AI industry has split the world into two kinds of losers. The subscribers paying $200 to $300 a month to rent intelligence they'll never own, funding billion-dollar boardrooms while their own margins shrink. The free tier prisoners, stuck with lobotomized models that argue with your prompts, make up statistics, and move at the speed of a dial-up modem. Neither camp is winning. Both are settling. You're paying for a revolution that isn't paying you back. But what if that changed starting today? Meet the weapon we've built to destroy all your monthly costs for AI. Introducing Ambit AI. This isn't a chatbot. It's not a wrapper. It's not another AI-powered SaaS tool with a pretty dashboard slapped on a free API. This is AI's most powerful intelligence, running at full power, uncapped, with every elite 2026 model unlocked from day one. AI companies are so hell-bent on taking down ChatGPT that they're essentially paying users to switch. And right now, we're the ones handing you the keys. No throttling, no dumbed-down tiers, no monthly ransom. Just the most advanced AI on the planet, configured to the absolute maximum, ready to work for you. The gap between people winning with AI and people just using AI comes down to one thing: which tool they're running. Ambit AI is that tool. There are no limitations on any of the AI models included with Ambit AI. Grok, truth-seeking AI chatbot with voice and image that will be your trusted assistant for deep work. Gemini, best for its multimodal capabilities, integration into Google, and fast, large-scale research abilities. Claude, high-level reasoning, complex coding, and nuanced writing, often serving as a thought buddy for detailed tasks. DeepSeek excels in complex, step-by-step logic, making it ideal for software development, scientific research, and finance. Midjourney, best for producing high-quality, artistic, and highly stylized AI imagery. You can create cinematic movies and shorts for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, or any sales page or blog. You can ask any question and get a comprehensive, logical answer in seconds. You can create amazing websites, funnels, pages, blogs, and more. You can create top-converting sales copy, VSL scripts, funnel copy, ads, email swipes, and more. You can create all kinds of graphics, concept art, graphic design, marketing materials, and paintings. You can create SEO content that ranks on the first page of any search engine. You can create high-quality books and eBooks in any niche. And you can even create music and human-sounding voiceovers. So stop renting and start owning. Ambit AI gives you the entire AI empire, once, forever. The $4,000 per year stack, yours for a tiny one-time fee. Here's what's quietly draining marketers, agencies, and creators every single month. Grok 4 Super Heavy, $300. Google AI Ultra, $250. Midjourney Mega, $200. ChatGPT 5.0 Pro, $200. Claude 4 Sonnet Max, $100. DALL-E, $40. Lensa AI, $60. Copilot Pro, $20. Meta Llama Images, $200. Perplexity Pro, $20. Cursor plus GitHub Copilot, $30. 86 more premium AIs, hundreds of dollars more. Want to finally see success online? By tomorrow? Grab your copy of Ambit AI for a tiny one-time fee today. It works in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log in to Ambit AI. Use any device, PC, Mac, tablet, or phone. Step 2. Enter your keyword, prompt, or voice command, whatever you need. A website, graphics, a video, music, a digital product, a shorts, an ebook, an app, or even a game. Step 3. Ambit AI will materialize anything you ask for in seconds. As you're using 100+ AI models all at once, you can expect amazing results on the first try, every single time. Remember, there are no limitations on any of the AI models included with Ambit AI. Ambit AI can create anything your mind desires. Websites, graphics, videos, music, digital products, movies, shorts, ebooks, apps, games, plus much, much more. See it, prompt it, profit. Most successful online businesses use a combination of AI tools to maximize profits. Regular people say, "So what?" Smart marketers like you and I ask, "How can I do the same for a fraction of the price?" First 100 smart action takers get access to Ambit AI Unlimited commercial license. Ambit AI created every single word, image, GIF, and video that you'll see on this page. No coding skills, no design skills, no marketing skills, no video or audio creation, no outsourcing to agencies. What if instead of paying hundreds of dollars per month, you could use all of it for a tiny one-time fee? Even if the only thing you do online is promote affiliate links, Ambit AI is the answer. It makes us $408 per day on average. Would you finally like to start making sales online without needing the experience or tech skills to start? Lower your monthly fees to zero and use that money you've been spending on something else? Help business owners get more new paying customers and have them thank you for it? Possibly quit your 9-to-5 as you won't be dependent on the paycheck every month. Get the respect and admiration of your family and friends. Have the freedom to do whatever you want. Go on holidays, buy a new TV or a new car. Spend the time doing what you want, not what you have to earn a salary. How much would you be willing to pay for all of the above? Thousands of dollars? Maybe even tens of thousands of dollars? Well, the good news is that you won't have to pay anywhere near that. A tiny one-time fee, but you have to hurry. This is a special launch period deal only. After the initial launch period, we reserve the right to raise the price and make the fee monthly. So if you want to take advantage of the best deal ever, grab your copy now and pay once and use forever. Right now, you can pick one of the 2 options. Option number 1, you can either leave here and wonder what if, continue to jump from product to product, continue to get nowhere, frustrated, stressed out, and miserable, still stuck at your day job. Or option number 2, you can take us up on this offer. But that's not it. Also, bonuses, a risk-free 30-day refund policy, and start making a killing with us inside the members area. All that in just a few minutes. We're looking forward to meeting you, so hit the buy button now. We'll personally connect with you on the next page. Click the button below. Get instant access. Finally, start using AI for you. And if it doesn't work, I'll give you your money back and we part as friends. But I don't think that's what's going to happen. I think you're going to finally start using AI in a productive and profitable way. I think you're going to cancel subscriptions. I think you're going to show someone what you made and watch their face. And I think you're going to wonder why you didn't do this sooner. The button is right below this video. I'll see you inside.
Now let's talk about the pricing and funnel. Right now, Ambit AI is available for a limited time one-time price of just $12 instead of paying hundreds of dollars every single month for different AI tools. That means you're getting access to 100+ premium AI models without any recurring fees. As for the funnel, after you grab the front-end offer, you may see a few optional upgrades like advanced features, automation tools, or additional training. These are completely optional, but they can help you scale faster if you decide to go further. But honestly, even with just the front-end version, you already have everything you need to get started and create content, products, and even generate income online. And don't forget, when you get Ambit AI through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus bundle to help you get results even faster. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.